Hello, YouTubers. I would like to ask you if someone can help me out with this car because I built it up for my son, and that little motor used to work really fine with forward and reverse. But I have now a problem. I bought this motor, which is quite big. I bought this speed controller, and it's showing me a little problem. This motor now, it only go forward. It only does forward, and I cannot connect this into the pedal, the one I used to have with this black motor. So I connected all the ways, but it doesn't work with the pedal. Only work with this. So if anyone can give me a hand, tell me what I can do. And but if I connect this motor into this speed controller, it will work forward and reverse. But when I connect it to this motor, only go forward. Even if I switch it to the number 2, it will still go forward. I don't know what it is. I don't mind if the car just go forward, but the only problem is I cannot connect the pedal throttle into here, and I don't know what to do. So if you guys know what to do, please give me some comment. And I'm so sorry for my bad English. I will connect this one once so you can see how it runs. Sorry. The speed on this motor compared to that one, and it's amazing. I love it. See, when I put it forward there, but it doesn't work. Number 1. But if I switch to 2, it's still forward. So I hope anyone can give me a hand with this and help me out. Thank you very much. Bye bye.